Good morning, my kindergarten friends. Today is Monday, May 4th, and this is math. So today we are going to review what we are learning in math. Let's get started. All right, so what are we going to learn today? What are we going to learn today? So our LO for today is we will be able to find objects that have measurable attributes such as capacity and weight. So this week we are going to focus on capacity and weight. So what is capacity and weight? Let's see. So remember I told you last week that there were 4 different ways that we were learning how to measure. So these different ways were length, height, capacity, and weight. And last week we were able to practice with length. Remember that was how long something was, and height, that was how tall something is. And so this week we're focusing on capacity, how much of something you can put in something else, and then weight, how heavy or how light is something. So when we think of capacity, we usually think of like a glass and how much we can fit inside, how much we can put inside. So if you look here at the anchor chart, you see that it has a little glass with some stuff in it. And so when I think of capacity, I can look at 2 objects and say which one has more and which one has less. So I can put different things in a cup, for instance, and I can fill it up with water, or I can fill it up with rice or whatever you're going to put inside, or juice. And I can look at them and say, ooh, the capacity is how much it can actually hold. How much does this one hold? How much does this one hold? So if I look at these 2 cups, sorry, I was going to the sideways. So if I look at these 2 cups, which one do you think can hold more? Which one can hold more? This cup, the longer one or the taller one, or this cup, the shorter one? Maybe the longer cup, right? Well, we're going to find out, and that's what we're going to do with capacity. So with capacity, we're going to see which one holds more and which one holds less. Now, with weight, like I told you, it's which one is heavy. Oh my goodness, it's heavy. And which one is lighter. So let's go into the anchor charts. And here, like I told you, capacity, I can measure capacity. Which one holds more and which one holds less. So if we're looking at these 2 examples, we know that the gallon of milk holds more than this little teaspoon, a tablespoon. And then we know this little tablespoon holds less than that big gallon of milk. The gallon of milk has more, or it holds more. And so when we think of capacity, I want you to think of those words: holds more, holds less. Okay, those are the key words in capacity. All right, and now when we look at weight, weight is which one is heavy. Oh my goodness, it's so heavy. And which one is light. So remember when we learned about squeakle equal and he likes to balance? Well, squeakle equal also, it's kind of like a weight right here. A balance beam, and so it sees which one is heavier and which one is lighter. But squeakle equal always likes to balance. He likes the same thing on both sides. But when it comes to weight, there's some that are going to be heavier and some that are going to be lighter. So let's look at the examples. If we look at this elephant, we know that it's heavy, 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 and then we know that this little leaf is light. Okay? And so that's what we're looking at when we look at weight. All right, my friends. I think that is all for today. Yes, you have your Kinder Brain Pop after this, and that is all for today, my friends. We will get into this tomorrow. Bye.